You can still choose no to apply for a platinum credit card or an elite credit card pag nasa second level ka na. By the time, meron ka na sigurong around 2 to 3 years experience pagdating sa credit card. And kapag nag-apply ka, no, masyashock ka na parang bakit hindi ako nade-decline? Kahit anong applyan ko, na-approve. Well, I'm not saying this para maging greedy kayo, no? Because I know, no, para marating nyo tong level na to, you have to be disciplined na when it comes to credit cards. I'm telling you this kasi this can be a way to open up opportunities and new experiences, no, na nakukuha lang ng mga nasa elite credit cards, katulad ng free travel, katulad ng access sa mga airport lounges, exclusive invitation sa mga events na ang invited lang ay yung mga card holders ng mga elite credit cards. Although I have to warn you, no, na cards like this are not cheap, no, so mostly ng kanang annual fee na itong mga cards na to are around 5,000 and above. And hindi madaling i-waive, hindi madaling pa-waive kahit sa spending requirement. But that's because how good and exclusive yung mga benefits ng mga elite credit cards. Kadalasan din ng mga elite credit cards, maraming mga travel benefits, no, katulad ng free travel insurance. Minsan may mga extra credit limit pa for use pag pupunta ka ng abroad. In short, these are the best of the best when it comes to credit cards.